Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from Techdroids and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And in today's video we're talking about the OnePlus 7 Pro again and unboxing it in the mirror grey color. We'll also compare it to the Nebula blue. I'll tell you guys which one looks like what and how the two phones feel in the different finishes and which one should you buy, although it totally comes down to your personal preference. With that being said, let's get started. This is the OnePlus 7 Pro in mirror grey. So here's the box. On the sides you have the OnePlus 7 Pro logo. Lifting the lid up, first things first, is the small packet that contains your reading material and a silicone case. And yeah, the reading material is your quick start guide, a pamphlet that tells you about the new features, stickers, and your SIM ejector tool obviously. And yeah, all boring stuff. And you also have your TPU case. Nothing great, it's free and it's appreciated. Should get the job done for your phone for the first few weeks. Next up is the phone itself. Peel the plastic off and you have your OnePlus 7 Pro in that beautiful mirror grey finish. In my opinion, it looks really good, and yeah, it's pretty similar to the mirror black, but there's just more mirror this time, if you get my thing. Yeah, it looks good, and it will be very fun to play around with in different lighting conditions. The phone reacts weirdly to different lighting conditions. Next thing is this invitation letter from OnePlus. Read it if you want. And you also have your warp charger 30, so yeah, 30-watt fast charger that should get you around 48% in 20 minutes. So that's pretty good. It's bulky, it's big, but it gets your phone charged. You also have your USB Type-C to Type-A cable for charging and data syncing in OnePlus Signature Red. Now let's talk about the OnePlus 7 Pro in mirror grey. This is a really good color and it looks beautiful in my opinion. And also Nebula blue doesn't look bad, but in my opinion mirror grey is the one I would go for. And yeah, when it comes to color options, it totally depends on you. Totally comes down to your personal preference. What do you like? What matches your style? But let's talk about the two finishes itself. The mirror grey finish, again, as I said, it's pretty similar to the mirror black from the OnePlus 6T and the OnePlus 6. So you have your black color underneath and you have this piece of shiny glass on top. And the Nebula blue, that's a unique little device. They use multiple layers of glass and color to get that kind of a feel. So the Nebula blue in some conditions looks like glass, and in some conditions look matte. Although it feels really good in the hand. Both the colors feel really premium, and the Nebula blue in my opinion takes less fingerprints, whereas the mirror grey, as you all know from the mirror blacks from the past years, is a fingerprint magnet. So if you're looking to get less fingerprints, then go for the Nebula blue. If you put a case or a skin on top, fingerprints and scratches should not be a problem. But if you're not doing that, go for the Nebula blue. But again, both these colors at the end of the day look really gorgeous, really beautiful. And there's also an almond gold color that should be coming really soon. I'll be unboxing that as well. And other than that, everything remains the same about the OnePlus 7 Pro. The new pop-up camera, the beastly specs, the 12GB of RAM, the triple camera on the back, and that really good 90Hz Quad HD Plus display, 6.67 inches, 4000 mAh battery, warp charge, all that for $669 or 48,999 rupees. And yeah, that's about it for this video guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.